Hello learners, today I will be showing you a basic and easy guide to create a simple YouTube intro of your own. Start by creating a new project in CapCut and head over to Pixabay for free resources. Click on Videos and type Graphic in the search bar. This will give us plenty of royalty-free MP4s to use. Let's look for one we like. Once we have found one, click on it and download it to your computer. Let's go ahead and import the file next. Click Import, and then select the file from the folder you downloaded it to. After it's imported, drag and drop it down to your video. Now click on the text option and select and drag down Default Text and add this above your video. We can then change the text to whatever we like. I will be using the name of this channel. Once we have our text set and made the text stay on screen longer by clicking and dragging the right side of our text, we can start animating it. Click Animations and find one under the In section that you like. I picked Concentrate. Next, click Out and pick the out animation you want. For this, I used Glitch. Now we need to create our mask. We start by right-clicking the text section and selecting Create Compound Clip. Now we need to add a mask that will hide the text. We do this by finding where the text on the clip starts. Next, we click Video, then we click Add Mask. The mask has been added, but choose Split and rotate the middle line to 90 degrees. Now grab the line and drag it to the right so you can no longer see the text. After that, click on Create Keyframe. After you've added the first keyframe, we need to add a second keyframe where we want the text to appear. Do this by finding the time in your clip that you want the text to show, then drag the middle line all the way back to the left, and click Create Keyframe again. Now, optionally, we can add an effect to the text if we'd like to. Go ahead and click on Effects. Let's search for the Shake effect. Select it and drag it over our clip. Now, drag the effect to your desired start time on the text. You can tinker with this or other effects to get what your desired look is. Once we have it the way we like, we need to add some sound. Click on Audio and search for a glitch sound. Click the plus sign and it will be added to our audio track. Move it to match the glitch effect on your text. I will also add a swooshy sound to the beginning of the text for a little added flavor. Do the same as before, just search swooshy and add it to our audio track and get it lined up. Finally, let's add some epic music to tie it all together. You can find royalty-free music on Pixabay, just like how we found our MP4. Find one you like, download it, and import it to our project. Once imported, just drag it down to another audio track and make it match the length of your clip. Now let's add an ending animation to our original video track. Click on the track, select Animations, and then Out. I have selected a basic fade out animation. All right. Let's see how it looks all together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Comment what you want to see next.